Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. So here we are with another new kind of problem for exercise 2. Right. So let us read the problem once, all of you. So in triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y and YZ is equals to X, XZ is equals to, please underline firstly, right angle is at Y, YZ is equals to X, XZ is equals to 2X. What you should determine? Here we have to determine the two angles here. So in the previous problem, we have discussed about the angle is given and we are asked to find the lengths. Here lengths are given and we are asked to find the angles of the other two sides of the triangle. Okay. So let us solve the problem. Now let us draw the triangle XYZ, which is right angle at Y. So the right angle is at Y. So you should understand now whether here you have to have X or Z. So there is no particularity here with any of the measurements. So I can take any number, that means X, Y and Z. Okay. Now I'll write the measurements which are given for me, which is YZ is equals to X. XZ is equals to 2X. Okay, so XZ is equals to 2X. Now write the given. That means what is given for us in the question. What is given for us in the question? Right angle at Y, it is given. YZ is equals to X. XZ is equals to 2X. So you need to find, what you need to find here? Yes, we need to find the angles, that is YXZ and YZX. So I am telling you once again, we need to find YZX, YXZ, that means this angle. Okay, this angle we need to find, remember that. And the other angle is YZX, that means this angle. So please remember that one. And now we will go into the sum. Yes. So as we go into the sum, I will tell you, first there is only possibility of one angle to be found. And however, this angle is already 90 degrees. You know that. Okay. So let us see how to find the problem. Now, first of all, you should always find solution from the things which are given to us. That means which is known to us. What is known to us here? We know two sides. Okay. But there is a small thing, that is there is a variable here, that is here X and this is 2X. So let us find, see what is the relation between the known lengths. This is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So as this is opposite and this is hypotenuse, the relation between the opposite and hypotenuse is nothing but sine. Okay, so sine. So what is the angle here? We don't know what is the angle. So that is what we have to find here for X. Yes or no? So take sine. Sine theta is equals to, because as it is an unknown angle, sine theta is equals to, right, YZ by XZ. Yes or no, children? Yes. So that equals to YZ value is nothing but X by XZ value is nothing but 2X. It means this is opposite and this is hypotenuse. Now as they are variables and they are under multiplication, we can cancel them and write it as 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? Sine theta is 1 by 2. So I'll write, see this is a known value. 1 by 2 is a known value from the trigonometric table. So you have to recollect the trigonometric table where in sine it is 1 by 2. Which angle is 1 by 2? So I can write it as sine theta is equal to, I can write this 1 by 2 as sine 30 degrees. Okay, sine 30 degrees. Why? Because sine 30 value is 1 by 2. And what is the necessity for me to write with sine only? Because I am finding in terms of sine. That is the reason you have to find that value of the table where it is, where it exists, and you have to write that angle. So that sine theta is equals to sine 30, where sine and sine gets cancelled. And the value of theta becomes 30 degrees. What is this value of theta is 30 degrees. Theta means angle. What is this angle? Y, X, Z is equals to 30 degrees. So one of the angle which they asked us to find We found it. Did you understand, children? Yes. So now, after finding one angle, now what we will do is, actually we need to find the angle of the other side. Yes or no? So I think we have learned in the first exercise how to change the vertices of the triangle. Yes or no? Did you know that? Can you recollect that? Y, write Z here and X here. Okay, X here. And that, don't change the measurements, children. YZ is X. So YZ is X. And XZ is 2X. XZ is 2X. So this is what is known to us. And here, we can find here theta. That means we can find the value of Z here. Okay, for that reason only, I changed the vertices and I have written without changing the measurements. I drawed another picture here. Okay, so using this picture, we can write. Now what are known here? Adjacent side is known and hypotenuse is known. Okay, adjacent and hypotenuse. So what is related with these two? Cos. Yes, you should first understand what is the relation between the two sides. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, so what is adjacent here? X by 2x. So here also the values of variables get cancelled, children, and you get 1 by 2. So what is 1 by 2? Cos theta is 1 by 2. So in cos, in which angle, that means where does this 1 by 2 exist? That means you should find out, you should recollect the trigonometric table and you should recollect where 1 by 2 exists under which angle. So I can write cos theta. Cos theta is equals to cos 60 degrees. Okay, cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. So now cancel the cos and theta is equals to 60 degrees. Here the theta is nothing but angle YZX. YZX is equals to 60 degrees. Yes, so this is how you convert the vertices and find the angles. That means two angles when two sides are given. Hope you all understood this problem. So practice all the models of this problem, children. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.